Oh, nice. Thank you. Alright guys, how are you doing? Today I'm in the Tirta Empul. This is a very famous temple with the natural springs. There's a lot of local Balinese people today because this is the new moon. And very interesting thing about what is changed now, as this temple have the new ticket system, including the barcode. And the special gates like in the attractions in the Europe or in modern countries. So they prepared for the new tourism and they changed something which is super cool actually. Nice thing, and I will show you guys around today how it looks the temple. I got the sarong. Oh, how to show you guys. However, it looks like that. You have to wear sarong if you wanna enter this temple. It's very important. Behind me, people are going to pray. I will show you guys around. So as you saw, so many Balinese people praying and having bath into the holy springs. Also I saw the few white people like me. However, also this attraction is very famous to the tourists. I not really want to talk about if it's correct way or not. However, I think this is supposed to be only for the Hindu people. However, if you have very strong willingness and very strong feeling to do it, and you can accept the Balinese Hindu tradition, I think it's okay if you do it. Of course, you have to wear proper clothes, and no intention is you doing just to have a pictures. Unfortunately, many people just do it because of they want to have a fancy picture for Instagram. This is very religious thing, so you should do it because you have a strong feeling. Can you see the house behind me, the bridge and the villa over there with the Indonesian flags? This house belongs to the President of Indonesia. This is kind of like a White House. Whenever the President of Indonesia is coming to Bali, he have rights to stay in this house. Of course, he can stay in the hotel or elsewhere, but if he have a willing or is the special event, especially the ceremony over here, he is invited to stay in this house, and this house is only belongs to the government of Indonesia and the president. That was just the interesting fact about this place, because whenever I come here for the first time, I was super curious what kind of house it is, because it's just next to the temple with the super cool view from the top of hill down to the temple. Okay, and now I'm gonna go passing this gate, and this is the second part of the temple. I just wanna mention, except this two local Indonesian people, it's completely no tourists over here. Completely no everybody, even the white people, they are coming here to pray. And normally at these places, if you ever been, it's so many people. So yeah, what should I say? And this is the holy pond. Can you see over there? The water is coming from the under the ground, and this is the natural water pond. I just wanna mention one thing about them. I read today about domestic tourists. Domestic tourism is very little. Improvement about the hotel occupancy is only grow up by 4% from 5 till 9, and about the touristic attractions, mostly Indonesian people, they just coming to the most Instagrammable, the most famous places, because mostly they are just interested to show to their friends and family. I was in Bali, and that's it, and that's what we can see wherever I gonna go now to the Kuta beach, let's say. And I'm gonna go to this temple. It's just literally two tourists behind me. Over there behind me is the very famous fish pond. A lot of very beautiful red carps over there. Unfortunately, it's closed. And that's it about the temple itself. I wanna go now into the exit area. Actually, I could exit possibly in the way when I entered the place, but I wanna show you the place when normally when it's the high season, actually all year round. So many kind of stalls, kind of bazaar is next to the temple, and it's so many people, so many stuff and everything. But now it's just totally, literally closed. Check this out. Whoever been in Bali and been in this place, Tirta Empul, you should recognize this alley. So when I walk through this alley, you can see how's the local Indonesian domestic tourism industry in Bali. Officially is 4% due to hotel occupancy, and to be honest, don't looks very positive, I could say. It's so sad, actually. I never saw the place here like this. I feel so sorry to the people who have businesses there. Yeah, that's basically mean as the local Indonesian tourism after 3 weeks is nearly zero, or at least not in the heart of the Balinese culture, which is this temple is the one of the most important cultural religious one Hindu Balinese temple. So sad. Check this out, guys. Alright guys, that will be enough for today's vlog. Vlog isn't finished yet. It will be the second part. Somebody asked us whenever we're gonna be in Tirta Empul if we can go to the north and drive through the villages, because of one Balinese guy named Zwayan used to live there. This is his hometown, and he's living in Australia for 35 years, if I'm not mistaken. If something wrong, sorry, but I will drive there. At least I'm not sure where is your house, Ryan. I'm so sorry, but at least I will try to drive through your area. And like always, thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe, like, share, comment, and something new every day. So tomorrow something new, and see you tomorrow, guys. New vlog every day, 7 p.m. Bali Time GMT +8, and don't switch the video off if you're interested about driving through the Balinese village.
If I'm lost along the way, if I wander off onto a different trail, will you forgive me if I fail when I'm lost and derailed? If I cry when I'm blue, if I cry alone when I am with you, will you forgive me if I do? If I cry when I'm blue, through wind and through rain, through trouble and pain, if ever my heart strains, will you pull me through like you always do? When I am calling your name, when I am calling your name. If I'm wrong when you are right, if I'm only seeing things in black and white, will you forgive me tonight? If I'm wrong and you're right, through wind and through rain, through trouble and pain, if ever my heart strains, will you pull me through like you always do? When I am calling your name, If you find me in a state of disarray, will you hold on another day? If I'm lost along the way, if I'm lost along the way.
I wish I had a little more time with you, baby. Time to figure out what this could be. I dreamt of a life in a small town that wasn't enough for you somehow. I just wish I had a little more time with you, baby. Weeks and months and years they passed, and I knew it wouldn't last. When tears streamed down my face, my mama said, all the nights that end in heartbreak gonna pay off someday. And the pain that you're feeling gradually fades away. 'Cause growing up, falling in love, giving your all might not be enough. Just trust your head and your heart, that's what my mama said. I wish I could freeze this moment, just never let it end. Walking through the snow when you're taking my hand. All of those late nights on your couch when we just talked until midnight. I just wish I could freeze this moment, babe. Weeks and months and years they passed, and I knew it wouldn't last. When tears streamed down my face, my mama said, all the nights that end in heartbreak gonna pay off someday. And the pain that you're feeling gradually fades away. 'Cause growing up, falling in love, giving your all might not be enough. Just trust your head and your heart, that's what my mama said. Weeks and months and years they passed, but then I found something I knew would last. Just like my mama said, gradually fades away. All the nights that end in heartbreak gonna pay off someday. And the pain that you're feeling gradually fades away. 'Cause growing up, falling in love, giving your all might not be enough. Just trust your head and your heart, that's what my mama said. That's what my mama said. That's what my mama said.
I'm not hiding anything. I think you know me too well. I'm always coming up short on words. You should know that by now. We've been down this road, so I'm not sure what you think you heard. can show you what I have to say. If you still can't decide, if you still think I'm lying, I will let you walk away. If my eyes can't convince you that I'm still in love since you first took my hand on that sweet summer night, and if your heart cannot trust me, then I say this must be the start of us saying goodbye. Don't know if I can get through to you. Your eyes keep wandering away. If you made up your mind to leave this behind, then I can't force you to stay. If my eyes can't convince you that I'm still in love since you first took my hand on that sweet summer night, and if your heart cannot trust me, then I say this must be the start of us saying goodbye. If my eyes can't convince you that I'm still in love since you first took my hand on that sweet summer night, and if your heart cannot trust me, then I